Hi, in front of me is ALCATEL U5 HD, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this device. Firstly, open Play Store, then type LED keyboard. Now download this app from this developer. Now open it and just get started. Then click OK and tap on the switcher next to LED keyboard. After that, click OK again and tap on Input Options. Select LED keyboard one more time and wait. Over here you can pick theme of your keyboard that you like the best. I will go with that one, so I have to click on it. And close all the ads. Now click download theme and wait. When I go back, I can see that my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!